property na complete finish turnover na may 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath na 1 ride to SM South Mall and 1 ride to SM Bacoor. Kaya kung interested ka, don't skip this video. This is Mike Santos Pineros, your trusted associate realtor. Ito ay located sa Barangay Molino 7, Bacoor City, Cavite. Naka-synthetic granite na ang ground floor, naka-modular cabinets na din, naka-granite tiles na rin ang kitchen sink, may service area sa likod na may 1 toilet and bath na naka-ceramic tiles na rin ang floor with complete accessories, na may lot size na 60 square meter at usable area na 101 square meter. Naka-steel door on na main entrance na may 1 parking slot sa inner unit at may 2 parking slot naman for end unit. At steel gate included na rin ito. Sa second floor, may 3 bedrooms na included ang mga modular cabinet, 20,000 pesos ang reservation fee at ang down payment naman is payable for 24 months. Ang amenities dito ay multipurpose hall, commercial space, gated community, basketball court, and green-oriented community. Kaya kung interesado ka, direct message me para ma-schedule natin ang house viewing mo. Paalam!